Hello, I'm a face. Welcome to Randomized War. Let's meet our random cast. I promise they're all random. Our first challenge is a maze. Contestants will randomly pick a path. Two are good, one is bad. Go! This is where path 1 bring you. They all picked a different path. This is where path 2 bring you. This is where the middle path bring you. This is where the right path bring you. So, the amount of points you get depends on how long you lasted. If you lasted 0 rounds, you got 3 points. If you lasted 1 round, you got 6 points. If you lasted 2 rounds, you got 7 points. If you lasted 3 rounds, you got 19 points. All these point numbers were random. That's why they're so weird. Time for the elimination. I have a mustache. Ned, Powerpuff Girls, Snoopy, you all got the least amount of points. So I will randomize who loses. Powerpuff Girls, sorry, but you were random. You were chosen. Chamber 1. Hey, before you click on this video, recommend character who can join the game.